If you're new to Poppo Live, you keep hearing about PK. Is it just a competition or a way to actually pay the bills? In this video, I will explain exactly what a PK is, the rules you need to know, and most importantly, how hosts turn these battles into real cash. So, what then is PK? PK stands for player kill, but don't worry, no one gets hurt. It's a real-time battle between two hosts. You go head to head for a set amount of time, usually 3 to 10 minutes. What's the goal? The goal is to get the highest score before the timer hits 0. You don't win by singing better, you win by your viewers sending gifts. Every gift the viewer sends adds points to your side of the screen. The host with the highest points at the end wins. The loser usually has to do a funny punishment like a dance or making a funny face, but the winner gets massive exposure. You can't just hit go live and PK immediately. There are requirements. Most importantly, you need to be at least level 5 to unlock the PK feature. Secondly, to enter a PK battle, it costs you 1000 coins to start the match. However, if you win, you get that entry fee back plus bonuses. If you lose, the platform keeps it. Now, here's the money part, which is very important. When a viewer sends you a gift, it is converted into points. The standard rate is 10,000 points, which equates to $1. You do not keep 100% of the gift value. Poppo takes a cut to run the servers and pay salaries. The host keeps 70% of the gift value, and the platform takes 30%. For example, if you receive $10 worth of gifts in a PK, you earn $7. If you receive $100, you earn $70. There are also bonus missions. If you rank in the top 20 PK battlers globally, you can earn bonus points. Sometimes up to 960,000 points, almost $100, right? Just for competing. Now, I'm going to show you the screen recording of how to hit the PK button. But once you're in the battle, here's the secret. Don't waste your energy in the first 2 minutes. Smart hosts use the sniping strategy. They save 40 to 60% of their gift power for the last 10 seconds. When the timer hits 10 seconds, they tell their audience to push now. The opponent can't react fast enough and you steal the win. That's how we do it. Alright, so for you to activate PK, you have to kickstart a live stream or a party. Those are the two ways. So the first one, let me try to go live. Once you log in, you check on top of the profile tab. Here, there's a pink button. That's the one you have to click. Boom. Yeah, this is me trying to go live, right? So, I need to click here where it reads live. Click here. Alright, so once the PK is kickstarted, you need to check at the bottom there for PK button. You just have to click there. Okay. So once you click it, alright, this will load up. What you do is you click I see, and then you do the setup. Yeah, you can actually select the first option, which is 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. But I would rather you simply go by the shortest period of time that you can actually. Alright, so the other method is by actually hosting a party. Click party, and then you hit party here. And then you click hold party. Once you're in, what you do is you check at the bottom for the PK symbol, click it and PK will get kickstarted. To summarize, PK is a timed battle where fans send gifts. You keep 70% of the value, and the best way to win is to snipe at the last second. If you want to start earning, focus on getting to level 5 first. Does your audience usually save gifts for the end, or do they send them early? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more Poppo tips.